Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain about Python series of if block. Okay, what is the purpose of if condition we are using? Okay, guys, generally, in every programming language we have if statement. Okay, so what is the purpose here in this Python means? Guys, for example, Python support like logical conditions from mathematical. Okay, but these conditions can be used by mostly if statement and loops. Okay, so if is a keyword, guys. Here I mentioned that if is a keyword. Okay, so what I mentioned, a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Okay, if b is greater than a, then print b is greater than a. If b is greater than 3, print also b is greater than. B is greater, I have mentioned this condition. Suppose if I execute this condition, so what it will do, b is greater than a. So it means, guys, it is checking this condition if b is greater than a. So b 3 is greater than a. Then it come back to the another condition. So b is greater than 3. 3 is greater than 2. So that is the reason our b is greater than a condition become correct and it got printed, guys. Okay. So basically, if this kind of scenarios, it will help. And we have like elif also. Okay, elif also we have. Okay, so basically, like before going inside to the elif, so you have to make sure like if is used to like execute a block of code if a certain condition is true. Okay, if statement working like execute a block of code if a certain condition is true. Okay, so now come back to the here elif. Okay, a equal to 45, b equal to 45. If b is greater than a, print b is greater than a. Okay, elif a equal to b colon, then print a is I'm mentioning the string a and b are equal. So guys, here what I'm doing, so if b is greater than a, then b will be the greater than a. Okay, else a equal to b, print a and b are equal. Now I'm putting the like executing this loop, this program, what it will return. So b is not defined, it is telling. Oh, why? Because see, 1 second. EA, I mean, I mentioned incorrect. Variables I have to, variables are case sensitive, guys. So that is the reason the code got not execute. So A and B are equal. Okay. So what is the purpose of elif in this Python means? So guys, I mean to say like elif, if the previous condition not become true, okay, then try this condition. So that is the purpose of elif condition. For example, B is, it is like, B is greater than A. So it is not equal to that condition, guys. Okay. I mean, the previous condition are not true. Then A and B are equal, I mentioned. So that is the reason elif keyword you in Python, if the previous condition were not true, then try this condition. Okay, like this, I have executed this example, guys. Now coming about else keyword. So guys, basically, like else keyword catch anything which is not caught by the presenting condition. For example, else keyword help you add some additional filters to your condition process also. For example, age equal to 4. If age is less than 4, ticket price equal to 0. Where price age is 4, if age is less than 8, then ticket price equal to 10. Print age is 18. Then here, if I have mentioned the filter condition, ticket price equal to 15. Let me add the bracket. Print above 18. So I've just mentioned this condition. Now you understand what is the purpose of else. See, what happened, here age is 18 got printing. Why? Because the condition is matching here and above age is 18. So here even mention the filter condition also, ticket price equal to 15, but the printing it is above 18. Why? Because the condition is matching to the 18. So else keyword catches anything which is not caught by the preceding condition, guys. Okay. So this is about else. Now coming about one scenario, for example, I have a list. So list is one type of, in Python. So it is one type of data type. Okay. So for example, it is like multiple item we can store in single variable there with help of list. So I have used this list and storing the multiple item. Here I mentioned x equal to 15. Okay. What happen if x is not available? For example, this 15 is not in the list, then it is going to say print x is not on the list. So this is true. So I'm just adding the example. I'm clicking on it. So obviously the condition is checks and x is not in the list. So this is true. Okay. So guys, you can also try with the help of elif and else for your practice. You can modify this program. You can try to utilize it. So this is about the session for the how to utilize the if in the Python.